This video will guide you through the steps to create a return label in S.M.A.R.T. Once a package is processed, you have the option to create a return label back to sender. Navigate to the Transaction History section in the left sidebar. Find the package you want to create a return label for. On the right side, select the return icon, which looks like a box. After clicking, it will auto-populate the return label back to the sender. You may encounter an error related to extra services or FedEx services, as service availability can vary by location. In this case, you have to update the service for that package. Click Select Service. Choose Use the corrected address. This puts the system back to normal. Select the appropriate service from the pop-up window. Then press OK. Fill in any necessary account or reference fields. Last, click Process Shipment to print the return label.